Full remodeling a home or no, just go buy the new home. So both options are available for sure, but let's discuss which one does more make sense in different scenarios. So let's say you have house, which is the structure of the house is good. The foundation problem, we won't see anything like that. Any issues like that, we can do full home remodel. Even we can do, addition if you're looking for more room. Let's say you have a house with 1,200 square feet and now you have a new baby, or you have some families want to live with you and you need more space. So you easily can add another 1,000 square feet to your home with the less cost versus buying the new home. And then you would add a lot of value to your home. Imagine like you just finish your basement. You have an unfinished basement and you will finish that basement, would add the lots of square footage to the home, would add lots of value and equity to the home. So in these kind of scenarios, remodeling the home does really make sense. You have unfinished attic, you can finish it and add master bedroom there or something like this. You can do addition and would add a square footage, especially in Seattle with all, the housing in Seattle is not that cheap. So you can easily add 1,000 square feet, multiply some dollar per square feet, and then you will add lots of equity to your Sometimes your home has a foundation issues, plumbing, it need to be upgraded entire the house, electric need to be updated entire the house. You will get a quote and then you will just realize, this house is mostly like a teardown house, and it would be better for me to build a new home or just go and purchase the new home versus spending money on this, because sometimes the projects, when the house are like that, in that kind of situation, there is a lots of hidden stuff can surprise you, and then you have to have some budget at the side to have enough money financially, enough money to cover those kind of surprises. So you have to just realize this too, which neighborhood, which zip code you have your home there. So sometimes, again, remodeling does really more make sense to do and go buy the new home. Again, and then the last but not least, when you're remodeling your home, you can creating the home, it's perfectly fit with your lifestyle, with your design-wise style, with the spaces, like you can creating the kitchen is exactly work for you. You can have enough big closet or bedroom or bathroom, exactly based on your lifestyle. You can creating the home like that. But if you want to go and buy the brand new home, someone else built it. So you have to sacrifice some of those things, because it would be very hard to find a home which is exactly be matched with your lifestyle. Otherwise, if you want to build your house from ground. So stay with us. We want to discuss lots of information, lots of details regarding construction these days in Seattle. In this channel, please subscribe it if not, like us. So we want to discuss lots of stuff like this. So if you have any question, reach out to us, put a comment below, so we'll answer it. Thank you.